Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen. My name's Wendy from Wendy's Craft Den, and I've got another unboxing for you. This is from a company that I've started buying from called Mycraftart. Managed to not right. It's a bit sticky, just stuck, isn't it? Where's my scissors gone? Oh dear, nothing is where I wanted where I am today. Sorry, I've done it again, and I hopefully know it's alright. What are these? Thank you for purchasing our products. Oh yes, I bought some of these. Just thought I could use them for something. That could be a lovely window aperture. I've worked that out. There's beautiful flowers here as well. Look at these. Another one that's very tightly packed. That is the one thing with this company. Nothing's going to move or come out off or clunk against each. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers. Oh, I wish I could make them like this, I tell you. Look at these. Aren't these absolutely incredible? And another little purple one. Get rid of that now. Can go on the floor. Aren't they beautiful, everybody? Now, where I've got a problem when I do mine is I've always got a problem with the leaf. But I can see what they've done here, so that is something that I'm going to have to try and imitate. Yes, they've just done it, so it's just, well, with this, too early this morning, with this, you've just got a little hint of green popping out, and then this one, then you've got a little bit more green popping out, so that I will be trying to make some of these later on this afternoon, or this morning, or whatever time it is now. Now then, what have we got here? Sorry, I just had to do that. Oh dear, I never grew up, do I? Oh, now then, look at these. Now, I've bought these as flower centres. Because when I'm doing what I call an open flower, you usually need something in the middle. And I've never got, well, I never seem to get the right thing for them. So it's a nice little bag of those, look. Oh, I need some more. Oh, these are pretty. Look, I got pink on my finger from yesterday when I was doing the flower for the card. I should be doing the card later on today, so you can watch out for that. Isn't that lovely? Little pearls. Flatback pearls, I think these are called. And they are super duper. Put them over there. Just oh, that would be very handy if you're doing scrapbooking page, wouldn't it? So that's one that I'm going to. I don't know what's in here, so I'm going to sit down for a bit. Oh, leave that one for a minute. These are the ones that for one of the cards I made. These are extra sheets, so you don't worry then about cutting them out, because you can always have extra ones here. And it's usually keep one for using and one for stroking and smelling. I know I'm a stroking and smelling person, me. See, that's beautiful in the back. You know, sometimes what you get is you get a paper, you've got lovely one side and then a ucky back one. So with this idea, Yeah, I bought 2 extra ones. The thickness of this card is incredible. And so with having these extra sheets then, there's no worries. You don't have to be upset at losing a side because you've got a side on the other side. Because side on the other. Makes sense. I don't know, but there we are. Right, now what's in this parcel? It's quite good. I mean, they're very quick in delivering, but the way I am at the moment, I've forgotten what I wanted at the time. Like I said before, nothing in these packages are going to move or be shiggled about or anything. So there's always a hand, because I got a package the other day. I can't remember where it was from now. But when I opened it up, it was all squished and the box looked like somebody had sat on it. So to me, that is not a very well packed box. I think it's some paper products. So I'm always then very careful of how I'm careful to an extent, and then I get impatient. Yeah. Ooh. Well, I thought that, actually, looking at this, I thought, oh, there's a nice little journal where you can actually make the journal out of this. I'm just going to cut those pieces off. Those pieces off. You cut it down so it's straight. What I'll do, I'll get my trimmer on it later on, because I'm not very good at straight, as you've probably guessed. Actually, that's not a bad straight, is it? So there we go. This, I will definitely be using this. Definitely, because that is going to be a journal. You'll find, if you get a piece of card, you think, oh, what's that for? Then look at it again, look at it in a different way. But, yeah, so that will become a journal in the next couple of days. So please watch out for that. But get this out of the way. Forgotten what this was now. Wow. Oh, this is a journal already made journal. Oops, sorry. Album. Basilisket. Sorry, I am awful with pronunciation. It's an eco scrapbook. So, all the pages. Again, I'll be able to turn this into something very similar, and because it's small, it's going to be the ideal little thing so that you can take with you on journeys or whatever. Brilliant. So please watch out for that. Wow, I do like this. So this is going to be that's the way, look. That's the way it closes. I'm glad I found that out. But as you can see here, it looks, they've missed things out, but no, they've done this. Or these are made like this, so that you've got, what is that, maybe half an inch? Couple of centimeters, so that you can actually add 3D things, so you don't get they don't get squished then. So that is a beautiful book, which again I will be using. I've ordered some papers that will be lovely in this box. So there we go, my ladies and gentlemen. That is about all the unboxing I've got at the moment. However, I do have a couple of cards to make, so bear with me and check it out later on, and I'll be taking you through card making. Bye.